Guys, in this video, we will be learning how to check whether a given number is palindrome or not in Python. We are using PyCharm editor and 3.12 version installed on the machine. Right. So first we will target with the help of string slicing how we can get whether given a string is palindrome or not. We can use palindromes to solve various mathematical puzzles and computer science related problems. So there are various ways using which we can check the palindrome in Python. In order to check whether the given number is palindrome or not, we need to reverse the number and compare it with the original one. We are going to ask a input from the user. We are going to use if reversing the string. If it is equal, we are saying print, else not palindrome. Let's end the program. We say rar is palindrome because reversing this rar will equal to this value. So that is why it is palindrome. If we input again, it will say not palindrome because the reverse string will not be equal to this. Now same thing can be achieved with recursive function. Let's remove. So in order to check whether given string is palindrome or not, we have to create a function. So we'll be taking s as a value, and then we'll check length. We are going to return true. Now we are going to check if s first character is equals to s dot length of s minus 1, which means the last character of the value. Okay, then we are going to call the same function as a recursive function, right? So here we have to eliminate first and last characters, right? And then we'll say s and then minus 1, else false if palindrome 2. We are going to print palindrome. Now time to execute the program. It is asking a value, so we'll provide rar. It means this string is palindrome. Okay, we input other value, let's say Raj. So when we reverse it, so it is not equal to the original one. That's why it is not palindrome. Now the last part which is remaining in this video is we have to check whether any given number is palindrome or not. So we will be asking a number, we have to convert it. Okay, we have to create a temporary reference of this number as a variable, and then one reverse variable. Now we have to apply while n greater than 0 always. Okay, and we have to say any digit equals to n percentile 10. It will first multiply and add the digit which are left, and then the n we have to divide with 10. Okay, this is very simple while loop. It will keep checking whether n is greater than 0 or not. It will reverse the value, right? And then we have to check now if, let's say, temp equals to words. Okay, so we have to say print palindrome, else not palindrome, not palindrome. Okay, let's end the program. So it is asking the number, so we are saying 1 2 3. So it is said not palindrome. Let's run the program again. We are saying 1 2 1. It should be palindrome now. You see, it is palindrome. If you put very big number 1 2 3 2 1, it should show it is palindrome. See, it is palindrome. So we have learned how to find palindrome in Python, right? I hope you are clear with all that has been shared with you in this video, right?
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.